Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and we're going to have some fun outside the box on the Cadillac. The first thing will be like chin squats. Okay, the reason I don't know the name is because there's no name. So this is part of a series. You're going to want to watch all of my push-through bar stand outside the Cadillac videos. There'll be one on standing push-through and with the spring from above and one from the spring from below. So you'll want to watch all of those. But this first one here, you grab the bars, palms facing in, and you put your chin on your push-through bar. And you can stand heels together, toes apart, or parallel. And really, please promise me you will not let go of this bar with your hands. I don't want you to get whiplash. Okay, super, super important. Be super safe. You put your chin on the bar. No, do not let go. And you do standing footwork. You're going up and down. And what you're doing is I'm not pulling with my arms. My hands are just holding it so that, again, my chin doesn't get pushed up to the sky. And then my chin, because it's part of my body, is going down and it's pulling this bar down, and it's really helping me feel how my head needs to be on top of my actual spine. Can't be forward, right? So you want to be in a spot that's perfect so your chin is not forward of your body. It's right on top of your body, and it really helps you align all of those muscles. And then, right, then you can go up against the wall and you could see oh, is my head in line with my shoulders, in line with my spine? It's really, really helpful for that. It's part of that. You can do it as part of a neck stretcher series. It kind of gets the front side where the neck stretcher gets the back and the side. So give it a try safely, hands on the bar. Please do not let go. All right. Thank you so much. And make sure you check out the standing push through, spring from above, and standing push through, spring from below, because they all go along with this series.